Did you know your brain starts to change as early as your 20s and 30s? It's never too early to think about your brain's long-term health. And for those of us further along in life, prioritizing brain health is even more crucial. That's why we're turning to Dr. Neal Barnard, a leading voice in health and wellness, for his insights into keeping our minds sharp and resilient. Dr. Barnard's work has shown how our everyday choices deeply impact not only our physical well-being, but also the health of our brains. In this video, we'll share science-backed strategies that can help protect your memory, boost focus, and perhaps even reduce your risk of cognitive decline. All the information you'll hear is grounded in credible research. You can find the sources for the studies we mention in the video description below. So, if you're ready to take charge of your brain health, give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health education. Let's get started. 1. Plant-based nutrition. Nourishing your brain starts with your plate. A diet bursting with vibrant fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds doesn't just fuel your body. It actively protects your brain. These plant-based powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients that keep your mind sharp and focused. They also deliver a potent dose of antioxidants, which act like a shield against harmful substances that can damage brain cells. Think about it this way. Antioxidants combat the mental equivalent of rust and decay. Research backs this up. A study in the journal Nutrients in 2021 revealed that people following a low-fat, plant-based diet experienced significant improvements in their mood, memory, and thinking skills. Scientists like Barnard and others attribute this to the brain-boosting benefits of a diet rich in plants. So, embrace nature's bounty. Fill your plate with a rainbow of produce. Savor the crunch of nuts and seeds, and make whole grains your staples. Your brain will thank you for it. 2. Limit saturated and trans fats. Picture your brain as a complex, delicate network of pathways. Saturated and trans fats, lurking in many animal products and processed foods, are like roadblocks that disrupt the smooth flow of information within this network. These harmful fats promote inflammation, a process where your body's immune system overreacts, damaging healthy brain cells. They also fuel oxidative stress, which is like a constant bombardment of tiny explosions harming your brain's structure. The consequences are serious. Studies like the one by Greenwood and others in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2025 link diets high in these unhealthy fats to slower thinking, memory problems, and even an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. By making smarter choices about the fats you eat, you actively defend your brain's long-term health. Opting for lean proteins, healthy plant-based fats, and whole, unprocessed foods is like giving your brain the clear, open roads it needs to function at its best. 3. High vitamin E foods. Think of vitamin E as a guardian for your brain's precious neurons. This powerful antioxidant, found in abundance in foods like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, acts as a shield against harmful substances called free radicals. Free radicals are like tiny, unstable molecules that can damage brain cells, contributing to mental decline. Vitamin E neutralizes these attackers, protecting the structure and function of your neurons. This protective power translates to real benefits. A landmark study published in the New England Journal of Medicine in 2002 by Morris and others revealed that older adults who consumed plenty of vitamin E through their diet experienced slower cognitive decline over time. Incorporating more vitamin E-rich foods into your meals is an act of self-care for your brain. Snack on sunflower seeds, drizzle olive oil over your salad, or enjoy a handful of almonds for an extra dose of protection. Think of it as nurturing the long-term health of your mind. one delicious bite at a time. 4. Vitamin B12. Supplementation. Vitamin B12 is a true superstar for your brain, especially if you follow a plant-based diet. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in keeping your nerves healthy and your mind sharp. It helps build a protective layer around your nerves, allowing them to send lightning-fast signals throughout your body. Without enough B12, this communication network can become compromised, affecting your memory, thinking, and even your mood. Since vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, those who follow vegan or vegetarian diets might be at risk of deficiency. Research reinforces this. A recent study in the journal Food Science and Nutrition in 2023 by Ungar and others found that low B12 levels were linked to decreased brain volume and a faster rate of mental decline in this population. This is where supplementation comes in. For those following a plant-based lifestyle, ensuring adequate B12 intake through supplements or fortified foods is vital for maintaining optimal brain function. Think of it as giving your brain the specialized support it needs to thrive. 5. Regular physical activity. Think of exercise as a powerful brain booster. When you break a sweat, you increase blood flow to your brain, delivering a surge of oxygen and nutrients. This enhanced circulation is like a revitalizing shower for your mind, nourishing brain cells and promoting their growth. But the benefits don't stop there. Studies, like the one conducted by Erickson and others in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences in 2011, reveal that regular aerobic exercise can actually increase the size of your hippocampus. This is significant because the hippocampus is a powerhouse for learning and memory. Visualize it this way. Exercise helps build a bigger, stronger hippocampus, enhancing your brain's ability to store, process, and recall information. It's a potent tool against the mental decline that often comes with age. So, lace up your sneakers, take a brisk walk, or try a new fitness class. Every step you take is an investment in your long-term cognitive health. 6. Mental stimulation. Imagine your brain as a vast, interconnected network of pathways. Mental stimulation is like forging new, stronger trails within this network. Learning a new skill, solving puzzles, or tackling complex tasks challenges your brain in exciting ways, sparking the formation of new connections between neurons. This process, known as neuroplasticity, strengthens your brain's overall resilience. Science backs this up. In a groundbreaking study featured in the New England Journal of Medicine in 1994, Stern and others discovered that mentally stimulating hobbies like reading or playing games were linked to a significantly lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Think of it as building a mental reserve. The more you challenge your brain, the better equipped it is to withstand decline as you get older. So, embrace the joy of learning something new. Dive into a crossword puzzle, or sign up for that language class you've always wanted to try. Every bit of mental exercise is like a deposit into your brain's long-term health. 7. Adequate sleep. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's a time of intense activity for your brain. While you drift off, your brain works tirelessly to consolidate memories, transforming newly learned information into lasting knowledge. Think of it as the save button for your day's experiences. Furthermore, deep sleep acts like a cleaning crew for your brain. It helps clear away toxins and other cellular waste that build up during the day. Lack of sleep disrupts this process, leaving your brain cluttered and less able to function efficiently. Research by Siegel in the journal Nature Reviews, Neuroscience in 2009 underscores the vital connection between sleep and cognition. The study emphasizes that getting enough sleep is essential for the brain to process, store, and recall information effectively. Prioritizing sleep isn't merely about feeling well rested in the moment. It's about safeguarding your brain's long-term ability to think, learn, and adapt. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule to give your brain the restorative time it craves. 8. Stress management. Imagine stress as a continuous drip of harmful chemicals in your brain. Chronic stress floods your body with stress hormones, which over time can take a serious toll on the delicate structures within your mind. The hippocampus, your memory powerhouse, is particularly vulnerable. However, you're not defenseless. Stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, and other relaxation practices can act as a shield against this damaging process. A recent study published in the American Journal of Psychiatry in 2023 by Blair and others highlights how mindfulness-based practices help lower stress hormones and protect brain health. Think of meditation as mental weightlifting. With practice, you train your mind to focus on the present moment, letting go of worries and anxieties that fuel stress. Yoga combines gentle movement with controlled breathing, promoting a sense of calm within both your body and brain. By making stress management a priority, you're giving your brain a much-needed respite. Over time, your thinking becomes clearer, your memory sharpens, and your overall mental well-being improves. 9. Avoid heavy metals and toxins. Our environment contains hidden dangers for the brain, heavy metals and toxins. These substances can silently damage delicate brain cells, especially during development. A landmark study in the New England Journal of Medicine in 1979 by Needleman and others revealed a disturbing connection between lead exposure in children and lower intellectual ability. Unfortunately, lead isn't the only culprit. Other heavy metals and environmental toxins can also take a toll on brain function. Their effects can be subtle, manifesting as problems with concentration, memory, or even mood regulation. Protecting your brain means being mindful of your environment, limiting your exposure to pollutants, choosing safe household products, and being aware of potential sources of heavy metals in your food or water empowers you to minimize risk. Think of it this way. By making informed choices, you create a safer environment where your brain can flourish. It's a proactive step towards safeguarding your cognitive health for years to come. 10. Moderate alcohol intake. When it comes to alcohol and your brain, moderation is key. While you might have heard about potential benefits of light drinking, recent research paints a more cautious picture. A large-scale study published in JAMA Network Open in 2023 by Davey and others revealed that even moderate alcohol consumption was linked to decreased brain volume. This underscores a crucial point. Any amount of alcohol carries some degree of risk to your brain. Alcohol can disrupt neural pathways, impair memory formation, and over time, contribute to brain shrinkage. Excessive drinking has long been known for its serious consequences, but this recent research suggests that even moderate levels might not be as harmless as once thought. The safest approach is to minimize your alcohol intake as much as possible. Think of limiting alcohol as an investment in your long-term brain health. By making mindful choices, you protect this vital organ and promote its optimal function for years to come. While the research supporting these brain-boosting strategies is promising, it's important to remember that science is always evolving. Results can vary from person to person, and what works wonders for one individual might be less impactful for another. If you have underlying health conditions, always consult your doctor before making significant changes to your lifestyle. Ultimately, taking charge of your health is an empowering journey of self-discovery. Let's recap. Remember, nourishing your brain starts on your plate. Physical activity revitalizes your mind. Mental challenges build resilience. And quality sleep is essential for memory and focus. Be mindful of toxins, manage your stress, and approach alcohol with moderation. Did you find these tips helpful? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you and are always striving to bring you valuable health content backed by science. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed.